Picture this. You're sitting at home, scrolling on your phone. You finally decided to take that trip you've always dreamed about. The flight is booked, your bag is ready, you're excited. But then, boom, you realize you haven't booked a hotel yet.
That's the moment when panic kicks in. Oh no, what if all the hotels are sold out? What if I choose the wrong one?
Exactly. And sometimes the websites make it worse. So many options, prices, photos, reviews. It's overwhelming.
Don't worry, listeners. Today, we're going to make sure you never stress about booking hotels online again. We'll teach you useful English phrases, show you role plays, and share travel tips that will save you money and time.
Welcome back, everyone, to English for Travel. I'm Speaker 1.
And I'm Speaker 2. If you're new here, this podcast is all about helping you learn real, practical English for traveling the world.
And if you've been with us for a while, thank you for joining again. You're part of our travel family.
Yes, and today's episode is all about something every traveler has to do, booking a hotel online. Whether you're staying at a luxury resort, a budget hostel, or just a simple guest house, you need the right English phrases.
Plus, we'll sprinkle in some cultural insights, like how booking works differently in the US, Europe, and Asia.
And of course, we'll have a fun role play. Actually, we'll do 2 role plays this time. One for online booking and another one where you call the hotel directly.
Ooh, double the practice today. Okay, let's dive into useful phrases. First step, choosing the hotel. The most common phrase is, I'd like to book a hotel in...
Say it with us, listeners. I'd like to book a hotel in Paris.
Perfect. Next, you'll need to give your check-in date and check-out date. Example, my check-in date is August 3rd, and my check-out date is August 8th.
Say it with us. My check-in date is August 3rd, and my check-out date is August 8th.
Great. Now, many hotel websites will ask, how many guests? You can say 1 adult and 1 child, or 2 adults.
Easy practice. 2 adults, 1 child.
Another important phrase, what amenities are included? Amenities are things like Wi-Fi, swimming pool, or free breakfast.
Repeat after me. What amenities are included?
And here's a big one. Is the price refundable? Sometimes cheaper rooms are non-refundable. That means if you cancel, you lose your money.
Say it with us. Is the price refundable?
Excellent. Now let's add a few bonus phrases. Does the room have air conditioning? Is there an airport shuttle? Can I request early check-in or late checkout?
Early check-in is my favorite phrase. I always arrive too early for hotels.
Same here. Scene begins. Guest using a hotel booking website chat assistant. Hello, I'd like to book a room for 2 adults from September 10th to September 15th.
Thank you for choosing Ocean Breeze Hotel. Would you prefer a standard room or a deluxe room with sea view?
What's included in the deluxe room?
The deluxe room includes breakfast, free Wi-Fi, and airport transfer.
Is the booking refundable?
Yes, it's fully refundable up to 24 hours before check-in.
Perfect. I'll take the deluxe room. Please confirm my booking.
Your booking is confirmed. We look forward to welcoming you.
Scene ends. Notice how polite and clear the language was.
Yes, phrases like I'd like to book, what's included, and please confirm my booking make you sound professional and confident.
Hello, I'm calling to book a room for 2 nights, October 2nd and 3rd.
Certainly. Would you like a single or double room?
Double, please. Does it include breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Great. And is Wi-Fi available in the rooms?
Absolutely. Wi-Fi is free.
Wonderful. Can I request a late checkout?
Yes, for a small fee. Would you like me to add that?
Yes, please. Confirm my booking.
Done. We'll see you in October.
Thank you so much. Scene ends.
See how natural that sounded? It's almost like real life.
Yes, and practicing these dialogues will make your actual hotel calls so much easier. Here's something interesting. In the US, hotels usually show prices before tax. So if the website says $100 per night, you might actually pay $115 with taxes and fees.
But in most of Europe, the price includes everything taxes, even service charges. What you see is what you pay.
In Asia, like Japan, it's very common to pay per person, not per room. So two people in one room might cost double.
And in some countries like Thailand or Indonesia, bargaining is possible for small guest houses. You might actually negotiate the price.
Another tip, always read reviews carefully. Some hotels advertise city view, but the view is just a wall.
Or continental breakfast turns out to be just toast and coffee.
So check reviews, check photos, and use polite English phrases to ask questions before booking. Time for our quiz game. Listeners, get ready. Question 1. If you want to ask about breakfast, what's the phrase?
Yes. Does the room include breakfast?
Question 2. How do you ask about Wi-Fi?
Is Wi-Fi included? Correct.
Question 3. What phrase do you use if you want to cancel and get your money back?
Is the price refundable? Exactly.
Bonus round. How do you politely ask for late checkout?
Can I request a late checkout? Perfect.
Great job, everyone. If you repeated these phrases out loud, you're already training your brain for real conversations.
Today, we've learned how to book a hotel online, how to ask smart questions, and how to sound confident while doing it.
And remember, every phrase you practice is one step closer to fluency. English isn't just grammar and vocabulary, it's your passport to new adventures.
So, the next time you book a hotel, don't just click. Say the phrases out loud. Practice them. Feel the confidence.
Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share this episode, and join us next time when we teach you how to order food in a restaurant.
Until then, safe travels, happy learning, and may all your hotel rooms have a real sea view.